Does Nltk have Tf-Idf implemented? There are Tf-Idf implementations in scikit-learn and gensim. There are simple implementation of n-gram, Tf-Idf, and cosine similarity in Python. To avoid reinventing the wheel. Is there really no Tf-Idf in Nltk? Are there subpackages that we can manipulate to implement Tf-Idf in Nltk? If there are, how? In this blog post, it says Nltk doesn't have it. Is that true? This URL.
The Nltk text collection class has a method for computing the Tf-Idf of terms. The documentation is here, and the source is here. However, it says, may be slow to load, so using scikit-learn may be preferable.
I guess there are enough evidences to conclude non-existence of Tf-Idf in Nltk. Unfortunately, calculating Tf-Idf is not available in Nltk, so we'll use another data analysis library, scikit-learn. From CompC 290-01 Spring 2014 Lab. More important, source code contains nothing related to Tf-Idf or Tf-Idf. Exceptions are Nltk contrib, which contains MapReduce implementation for Tf-Idf. There are several libs for Tf-Idf mentioned in related question. Upt, search by Tf-Idf or Tf_idf lets to find the function already found by Eva Spearsman.
Van source Puddle. Even dit logje als een copy.